This right here is one of the cheapest PCs I have built on this channel. This PC is meant for office use and I was told to build a PC in the least possible budget. So this is how I did it. This PC is having an i3-8100 CPU. It is a 4-core CPU and I installed that CPU on this ASRock H310 motherboard. It has got 8GB of RAM. I used a 400 watt PSU and there is not much going here. But this PC is priced at just under 11,000 rupees. The motherboard and the processor are not new. I bought it from Facebook Marketplace and there I got this CPU and motherboard combo for just 6,500 rupees. So this is a really good machine for what it is. It can do any sort of office work like word editing and basic video playback tasks and a lot more. So this is meant for those people who are looking to do all the basic work on their computers and they are not willing to spend a lot of money. The price of this entire system is just under 11,000 rupees. I was able to complete this computer under 11,000 rupees, which is actually quite amazing. This has got a 4-core CPU, 4GB of RAM, which can easily be upgraded to 8GB or more if needed. Then we have 256GB of SSD too, which is actually quite good at this price range. I paid just about 1200 rupees for this SSD, which is actually quite good. A 256GB SATA 6 SSD for just 1200 rupees is, I guess, a really good value. The only downside of this PC is the fact that there is no IO shield that came with the motherboard. So I have to use the motherboard directly. I have to install the motherboard directly without the IO shield. This is not a big deal, but it can be an issue if you have a lot of dust in your area. Then this area is definitely going to intake a lot of dust. But apart from this little downside, this PC is having absolutely no issues. It works really well. I've tested it, installed Windows 10 on it, and it works really well. So this is a little video that I wanted to do on a computer that I built for just under 11,000 rupees. This is going to be more than good for all the basic tasks as I mentioned, and you can build the same if you can find the parts for this price. Obviously there is no warranty on both the CPU and motherboard. There is warranty on SSD, power supply, RAM and everything else, but the main components are having no warranty whatsoever. But if this PC is used with some good power backup, then I don't think there is going to be any problem in the future. So this is a little video that I wanted to do on this PC. A really good well-built PC. I've did all the cable management also. You can see the cables are all nice and neat. There is nothing here in the middle that looks bad or anything. Even though it took me some time to do cable management on this thing, but I did it and I think it looks quite good. So this is it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. You can also build the exact same computer if you are interested. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like the content, please press the like button. Do subscribe if you are interested in more videos like this, and I will talk to you in the next one.